Hi guys, welcome back to HAG Studios. In our last video, we took you on a visit to Errol Simmonds' rooftop garden where he grows just about everything in pots. Our viewers were impressed and even inspired to start doing the same. In this video, we want to help you get started. So, here are some tips on how you can do just that. So Errol, you have done this successfully, creating this farm, producing pretty much most of your fruits, your food and your vegetables and fruits. What? How do we get started?
Your environment, your surrounding is important. You know, a lot of people in townhouses, apartments, so they are not able to plant what they would love to plant. But
Well, they can do some because
yeah,
of the
you
pots.
can because container is very important to plant. So you choose something that, I mean, it's the quick crop, tomato, cucumber,
Callaloo.
callaloo, cantaloupe, even sorrel. See the size of the sorrel here, right? So there's even sugar cane. If you look over here, sugar cane. Look at the sugar cane in container. Look, this is cherry. It's blossoming. It's in container. So you get a bigger container than this one. It's
And
a
you get
pumpkin.
cherries from
It's a
this.
pumpkin in container. I say pumpkin in one. I put this little, look at the cane in this one. June plum. Sugar cane again. Artinique. This is not artinique, navel fruit.
This is your version of
Yeah.
compost.
So I do buy the potting soil,
yes.
but I don't use the potting soil by itself.
Yes.
I just mix it. These are leaves, as you can see.
Bananas, everything from the
mango,
kitchen, mangoes.
all the stuff. Yeah,
How long does it take to break down?
Newspaper. I just ready to pot. I just pot. I don't
You
go
just
to
pot.
no,
You
I
don't
just
bother
pot
wait
no,
and no
because
break
they are
it
doing
down.
well, and I
Yeah.
didn't have a breakdown period as a country boy.
Yes.
I just put them. I don't follow that part of it. You
Yes,
understand?
yes.
So I could get stuff directly from the kitchen and just put it straight into the pot and plant. I don't have a problem, so I mean,
Good.
I'm not saying it is the right, but what is the right thing?
But it's
as long as
working
you
for
plant,
you.
it's working. So
It's
no
working.
problem.
If it's
Yeah.
working, it's working.
Yeah.
Okay. at all?
I do. I was telling you, like with like my cucumber, they love like the Epsom salt, the baking soda, the hydrogen peroxide.
Oh, those are the things you spray
yeah,
with.
yeah. And when you use it, even on the tomato, the hydrogen peroxide and the baking soda, it's a different eating tomato. Yeah,
Really?
the acid. Yeah, yeah.
You mix them? How do you mix them?
Like like the hydrogen you use like 2 tablespoons to a gallon. With the Epsom salt, it's a tablespoon to a gallon. Vinegar, tablespoon to a gallon.
So can you mix any of these products, or you do them separate?
I usually do them separate.
You do them separate and spray maybe a week apart, or?
It can be days apart.
Days apart.
As well.
So basically you're not using
I try not to
chemicals that
toxic stuff, especially stuff that I'm eating.
Yes.
So there's so much you can plant. And I'm saying, when you start, you will end up creating. When you see one plant can motivate you and say, yeah, I should go plant, try something else. So you might try 7, 8, possibly 3 or 4 out of it, but at least there's a start.
And the compost will get you started.
It will, and you buy the potting soil, a lot of stuff that you're throwing out from your kitchen into the garbage, you could use that, as your fertilizer, your manure, right? You don't have to be buying expensive fertilizer.
Yeah.
So it's just...
Because even I remember you said you got cocoa from the peel.
Yeah.
The peel that was thrown out. Does it
it's a peel.
with yams as well?
Yeah, with renta yam.
Renta yam.
Renta yam, yeah.
And cocoa.
And cocoa,
and
everybody knows that. Yeah, man, cocoa, dashing is the same.
The peel actually will germinate.
Yeah, skin,
That's the right word for that. And produce plants.
Yeah, but to me, it's the will. It's the will to learn.
Yes.
The will to want to do it. You understand? And if you can't and your friend can, your surrounding do not allow you, encourage your friend, because Junior, you have a big yard space, man. A big rooftop or whatever. Let's do this. And your friend, oh yes. So we join together and we do it at your place, a little spot, and we plant. But we need to start plant, stuff that we eat. And it's not that hard.
So get any amount of containers you can get.
Different size container, but it depends, right? Even grow bags, even bags.
Grow bags,
even bags. You go to the shop, you get the bags, those same bags can grow stuff into. You're throwing away those bags, they can just, you can grow stuff in them. So it's not that hard, but again, it's the will. And if you're motivated to do it, you will do it. You will do it.
I hope you have been motivated, and we'll be getting pictures of your garden soon. Remember now to share this with your friends, like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.